Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through the process of switching your Android storage to an SD card. Now, depending on your device, the step might be slightly different, but I'll cover the methods for a few common setups. Let's start with my own device. Navigate to the settings on your phone. Once inside, look for the storage option. Then you will see two options, internal storage and memory card. Tap on memory card. Scroll down and you will see default location. Tap on that and choose memory card. After that, a note will appear saying that make sure your new storage location is secure before switching locations. Your phone will restart to apply the changes. Your phone will automatically restart and voila! Your default storage is your memory card or your SD card. So that's all. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!